This is the Desmond Show.
Precious.
George.
Auntie, you fine, yo.
Shut up.
Sorry, Oga.
Mind what you're doing there.
Sorry, Oga.
Sorry for.
It's okay.
Sorry. So, Precious, will you marry me?
Oh my God. Are you joking?
Joking? No. I'm serious. Anyway,
my mom has also been pestering me to get married and all that.
You see? So I don't know. Let's just keep it started. Let's work to me come to know your parents and you come to know my parents as well, and that's all. You understand? Okay. I don't know. Let's just stop by in a nearby hotel here, so we can just
hotel? Don't you have a house?
House? I have a house on the island. A rented apartment.
Rented apartment?
Yeah. On the island.
I'm sorry. See, I cannot marry a guy that's staying in a rented apartment. My husband has to have a house. See, in fact, if I see a man that has a house right now, a house of his own, I will marry him.
It's still.
Are you kidding me? What?
Sule.
Auntie, I get house.
House?
Yes, I get house, auntie.
House? How?
Okay, you don't forget. That pettiness will go that day.
Pettiness?
Now, Pettiness Limited, the owner of ABC Garden.
Where is that exactly?
Okay, where the number 7 in the last street, Shobo bus stop. Behind First Bank now for Akonwanjo Egbeda Road.
That was where you told me they sold a plot of land as low as 200,000 naira.
Now that place now.
You are a thief.
Oga, I know the thief.
Sule, you have been stealing my money.
Oga, I know they steal, Oga, I know the thief.
You are saying to my face.
Oga, now that 40,000 naira, what they pay me per month? Now for inside that money, I come out small. Then say if they do pay small. Now
installment.
Installation. Then talk about
installment, my friend.
Okay, now see the same thing with the talk, Oga.
You just touched my soul.
You call me Sule the landlord.
Sule the landlord.
Yes, auntie.
What's that? In my own car? Sule, get out.
Auntie, help me beg, Oga now.
Get out.
Sule the landlord. Sule, calm down. Landlord.
Oga. I beg, Oga. Auntie.
Calm down. Calm down.
You are fire.
Calm down. You have a house, right?
Yes, auntie.
Yes, that's all that matters. I will make it our own.
Oh, auntie.
I will make it our own.
Auntie.
Let's go.
Girl, I'm addicted to you. I don't know what you did to me. On my way till you give me trouble. And I'm mind to the come they go. And the way you're so beautiful. Baby girl, there is something about you. And I must go to that tell about you. When I make my baby scat, I want to be your love and not your brother. Adobe, Wagi Gazamo. Adobe, Niwaku. Adobe, Ogini Kijasaru. Adobe, oh you my God. Adobe, Wagi Gazamo. Adobe.
The rush come ABC Gardens to buy land for months with the cheap. Pettiness Limited, Dandagiri for number 7 Oyilola Street, Shoba bus stop, Egbedan, Lagos. Telewire 080-6504-2547 or 081-8249-6310. www.pettinessgroup.com. ABC Gardens, build your house with cooler of mind.